AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and GitHub Copilot getting smarter every day. Should you still learn how to code in 2025? Many students, especially in computer science, are feeling confused. They think that what's the point of learning programming if AI can do it faster and better than me? But what if I told you that learning to code is more important than ever in history? I am a computer science student and I ask myself the same question. Then I took a step back and look at the future. I realized something that completely changed my mindset. AI is a tool, not a developer. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and GitHub Copilots are assistant, not replacement. They generate code, but you decide what code should do. Without the clear understanding of logic and structure, you would not know if the AI code is correct or efficient. AI lacks context. Only you understand the project goal, user, and design. Problem solving is still a human skill. Real world development is all about problem solving, not just typing code. You need to break down all the requirements, identify the edge cases, and think critically. AI might miss bugs, security issue, or misunderstood the requirements. Employers still value strong analytical and debugging skills, not just output speed. You need coding to use AI effectively. The better you are, the better AI will become. If you cannot read and understand the code, you would not catch the AI's mistake. Writing effective prompts depend on the understanding of the code structure, libraries, and design patterns. You become a coding director, not just a consumer of AI output. The job market still wants coders. Companies are adapting to AI, not replacing entire developers. Jobs now look for the people who can work with the AI tools, not avoid coding. Most real world still required understanding of the framework, databases, and the architecture. Even the AI focused roles like prompt engineering, AI integration require a strong coding skills. You can build faster with AI, not instead of it. Learn coding, use AI, become unstoppable. AI can write boilerplates, suggest fixes, and speed up learning. But if you skip the fundamentals, you will be stuck when things will break. Learn coding with AI as your assistant, not as a replacement. So, should you still learn to code in 2025? Even with the smarter AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and GitHub Copilot? Absolutely, 100% yes. Not because you will compete with AI, but because you will be working with it. The real winner in the future will be those who combine human logic with the AI power. I am also on this journey too, learning coding, exploring AI, and figuring out one step at a time. If you are also a student, a beginner, or just someone who is curious about tech and the future, you are not alone. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below with your thoughts, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's grow together, one line of a code at a time.